On today's menu, a delicious recipe that's a real rice way to end off your day. Japanese style risotto. Lei Homa everyone, I'm Will Young. If you haven't already checked out my project on Kickstarter for the first ever vegan ramen cookbook, make sure to click the link above. Now I can already hear the Italian grandmas yelling at me, but this is just a fun take on an incredible classic. Saucepan, 4 cups water, generous handful of sliced shiitakes, cover and cook on medium-high for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're still using arborio rice, and don't wash it because the starch will add into the creaminess of the risotto. Set the mushrooms aside. 1 shallot, finely chopped. Hot pan. Olive oil. Shallots. Separate the mushrooms from the water. Mushrooms in. Season with salt. Sauté for 3 minutes. Deglaze with about a half cup of sauté. When the liquid is absorbed, add half cup rice. Season with salt and pepper. Toast the rice in the pan for about 1 minute. Half cup mushroom water. Stir until absorbed. Continue adding mushroom water half cup at a time and stirring in between until absorbed. When you're finished the water, stir in a tablespoon of miso paste. Taste your rice to make sure it's al dente and add salt if necessary. Plate. That is just incredibly beautiful. Just give that a little bit of a shake. Finely chopped Chinese chives. You can now make this Japanese style risotto with absolute confidence. That smells absolutely incredible. Just amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Thank you for joining me on my channel. If you're interested in my vegan ramen cookbook project on Kickstarter, you can click the link here. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.